Are you still relying solely on listing databases to procure your aircraft material? Well, might be unknowingly jeopardizing your entire maintenance material operations. Today, I'll explore 5 risky reasons why the best procurement teams avoid relying so heavily on inventory listing databases to handle their procurement activities. It's a common misconception that listing databases, with their comprehensive inventories and ease of access, are the ultimate solution for your aircraft material procurement. However, this reliance can expose your operation to significant risks. There was a recent small study that found 70% of procurement professionals experienced delays or disruptions due to inaccurate information on these listing databases. You've come across the situations where you find a part you needed, you're urgent, the vendor says they have it, and then an hour later they're like, oops, got to cancel the order. Or just a massive list, the part numbers are listed, but they actually don't have the inventory. And how is that reliable? How does that streamline your operations? So let's explore these risks in more detail. First up, excessive processing costs. Each transaction you process through a listing database incurs processing expenses. You got the shipping, the processing costs, the hourly rates. There's so many costs associated, just more than the unit price that you're procuring. And these costs quickly add up, escalating your overall procurement budget and your operating expenses. The allure of seemingly low prices can often disguise the hidden costs associated with frequent small transactions. Secondly, vendor reliability variances. Sourcing materials from various vendors listed in a listing database means you're subject to fluctuations in vendor performance. These variances can lead to project delays and operational disruption. A vendor's failure to deliver on time can halt your maintenance schedules, leading to costly downtimes. Listing databases lack comprehensive supply chain management, which can lead to critical bottlenecks. Without a dedicated material partner, or a few partners even, to oversee and streamline your supply chain processes, you risk unexpected delays and interruptions that can have cascading effects on your maintenance operation. Fourth, inventory mismanagement. Inadequate inventory tracking is a common issue with database procurement. This can result in stockpiling and even shortages. Excess inventory ties up capital and storage space, while shortages can delay maintenance schedules and extend aircraft downtime. And finally, generic solutions. Standardized offerings from listing databases. Hey, I have this inventory, but I might not. They fail, and they often fail to meet the specific needs of distinct fleets and even distinct operations. Every aircraft and every operation has their own unique requirements, and generic solutions rarely provide the exact specifications, leading to suboptimal performance and potential quality issues. So my question to you is, how can you avoid these risks and ensure your material schedule remains reliable? Well, the solution is a smarter sourcing with a dedicated material partner like Skylink. So let's see how. First, Skylink offers streamlined procurement processes that reduce overall cost by consolidating transactions and leveraging bulk purchasing. This streamlines all of your procurement activities into a few activities as possible. Now, that's not always reliable for urgent material and AUGs. I do understand that. But with material planning, it can be done. Second, Skylink provides a comprehensive supply chain management, identifying and mitigating your potential material bottlenecks before they even disrupt your operations. Our advanced inventory tracking and planning ensures you have the right parts in the right quantities at the right time, optimizing your inventory levels. Third, Our customized solutions are tailored specific towards your operations' specific needs, enhancing reliability. But we do this as if we're working inside your operation. We view your operation as it was our own, and we will treat you and the results you have hired us to achieve as if they were our company. Your company is our company, and we treat it as such. We're a partner, not just a vendor. So that gets back to the point of relying solely on listing databases for aircraft material procurement. It's risky. However, partnering with a dedicated material partner like Skylink provides a smarter, more reliable, more supportive approach to your maintenance material activities. So are you ready to transform your procurement processes? Contact Skylink today and discover how we can help you achieve your reliable, long-term material results. We would be happy to talk to you. Even 5 minutes. Let's jump on a call and let's look at what we can do for you.